This video will address how to set up an account with Login.gov and obtain a FinCin identifier at FinCin.gov. When I say FinCin, I'm referring to the Financial Crimes Network of the Treasury Department of the federal government. First, we begin with the Login.gov setup steps. To get you started, you will need either pictures of the front and back of your driver's license or a scanned color PDF front and back of your driver's license. You could also use a passport. Be sure that when you name this file, you do not use any special characters such as commas, apostrophes, or the like. You will also need access to your email to confirm and validate your email address and a phone to receive security codes via text message. Access the Login.gov website and click Create a New Account. You will sign up with your email address and click Submit. It is possible that you already have a Login.gov account. For example, if you have online access to your Social Security account, you may have used Login.gov to obtain access. If this is the case, you will use this same login information to obtain your FinCin identifier. Login.gov will then send an email to the email account you have chosen. Click the Confirm Your Email Address button. This link will take you back to Login.gov where you will create a password. Passwords must be at least 12 characters. Be sure to write down the password you choose and click the Continue button. You will be prompted to enter a phone number to receive a security code via text. You will enter this code into the security code field. Save your personal key information with your password. At this point, you may be asked to upload the front and back of your driver's license or passport to confirm your identity. There have been instances where the system requested that the person submit a picture to be uploaded for additional confirmation of identity. We are unaware of what might trigger this requirement. Now that the Login.gov account has been set up, you will be able to obtain a FinCin identifier. Note, it's not a requirement to have a FinCin identifier to file a BOIR report. However, we strongly recommend it as it creates a one-stop location to report any changes and update information. We recommend getting a FinCin identifier if you have multiple entities subject to the beneficial ownership information reporting requirements, as this will eliminate entering name, address, and identification materials multiple times versus entering your single, unique FinCin identifier. Let's go to the FinCin.gov website. Click the Sign In or Create Account button in the middle of the page. On the next screen, click the Login.gov button and sign in with your Login.gov email address and password created in the prior steps. You'll be asked to confirm your identity with multi-factor authentication codes at this point. Now you will be able to start your FinCin identifier application. The FinCin identifier application is very simple. Enter your full name and date of birth, enter your address, and select residential as the address type. The business address option should not be used. It is reserved for specific circumstances. Country of jurisdiction will be United States. Next, select an identifying document type, such as driver's license, and the issuing jurisdiction of that identification, such as South Carolina, North Carolina, or Georgia. You may need to have your identifying document handy to enter the required document numbers. This will be your driver's license number on your license. You will also need the image of the same identifying document you just used for the Login.gov application. Drag and drop the identifying document file into the image upload box. Review certification and select to agree to the statement that all information furnished is true, correct, and complete. Then submit. You will then be assigned a FinCin identifier. You will also receive a submission receipt. This 12-digit FinCin identifier is a permanent number. Think Social Security card or birth certificate. Please make this number a part of your permanent files. Finally, click Yes to download and save a copy of the PDF submission receipt. This FinCin identifier will be used as part of the Beneficial Ownership Information Report. Should you have any questions, please contact Elisa Cortez at Argo & Associates. Her phone number is 864-226-7202. Her email address is acortez@argocpa.com. ACORTEZ at ARGOCPA.com.